With over 50 years of experience in water treatment equipment, engineering, and fabrication, DBS Manufacturing understands that downtime is costly. That's why we offer a comprehensive spare parts service designed to keep your drive running efficiently for decades after installation. DBS supplies components for all machines in our product line, regardless of age. Many parts are still available for extreme legacy machines, as well as upgrade packages to bring older units in line with our most current technology. When speed is of the essence, DBS offers same-day shipping for applicable components, minimizing downtime and getting your operation back on track as quick as possible. When requesting a spare parts quote, it's important to provide the unit's serial number. The DBS spare parts team uses that to cross-reference the history of the machine to guarantee the fitment of supplied components. In situations where the serial number is unavailable, please provide as much additional information as possible, such as the installation location, site name, photos of the machine, and any other material available. Our engineering team is available for comprehensive support 24/7, including remote and on-site troubleshooting, scheduled maintenance, and complete repair of your machine. DBS does not supply components for competitors' machines. However, we can provide total retrofit replacements capable of matching torque settings, speed, and mountings, allowing a new machine to simply bolt in to the existing structure. Often, the lead time and cost for a retrofit replacement is better than repairing the original unit. To request a spare parts quote, contact spareparts at dbsmfg.com.